Hello everyone, how you all are doing? Ta-da! So these are some of my top recommendations from my product MPs for this Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Surbhi Agrawal Patni, and today I'm going to talk about the Nykaa Hot Pink sale recommendations from all the products I have emptied, I have loved, and I have used bottles of these products, and I'm gonna repurchase them in the future as well. So sale is the best time to purchase your favorites or to restock your favorite products. As it is month of July, it is the time of the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale 2024. The sale is live from 19th July. All your favorite brands are up to 60% off, and there are a lot of freebies, free gifts, coupon codes which are gonna make your cart more attractive and more discounted. This is the best time of the year to make your beauty purchases. So all the products I'm mentioning in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can go check them out. Those are my affiliate links. So let's get started. I'm gonna talk about a little bit of makeup I'm wearing today if you guys are interested. So on my lips I'm wearing the Huda Beauty ka Miss America liquid lipstick, which is a bright red color. For the base I've used Pat McGrath foundation in the shade light medium 14. My eyes I've used the Sigma Corday Rosa eyeshadow palette. If you can see a little bit of eye makeup I have done. On the brows I've used ELF eyebrow pencil and set it with amazing Too Faced eyebrow gel. I love that product. For the primer, I've used Nykaa that pink cap primer, which is very good. For the highlighter, I've used Opal highlighter by Becca, which is now under Smashbox Cosmetics. So these are some of the products which I love to use. So yeah, let's get moving. I'm gonna talk about a skincare product, that is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. I really like this rose water. I've been using the normal ones like the Gulabari ones or the other local brands, but this is not just rose water. This is something very different. It acts like a toner as well as like a fresh mist of spray on your face. I really like how it feels on the face, and it is very good for sensitive skin as well. This is, I think, my second or third bottle which I'm about to finish, so I've included this in my video. It comes in 2 to 3 sizes. I highly recommend this rose water spray to you guys. So yes, this is one of my first empty product which I have been repurchasing since I've started using it. Now talking about one of my favorite product which took me, I think, 2 to 3 years to empty, is this Too Faced ka Born This Way foundation. Oh god guys, though it is expensive, during this time of Nykaa sale they are at flat 20% off, so grab it guys. If you can go to your Nykaa store, that would be best. If you can just try shades on your face and then buy this kind of expensive foundation, but once you buy this, you're not gonna regret it for the rest of your life. This is gonna stay for at least 2 to 3 years. It's good for all kind of skin types, and I love how it looks on my face. Love this to use during my parties and festivals and wedding looks. It stays very well on my face for the whole day. This shade is the shade Sand, but my perfect match is Warm Beige. So now I'm gonna buy Warm Beige for myself as I've emptied Sand already. So this is a very nice pump operated foundation. The packaging is glass bottle, and I love everything about this. If you ask me to suggest one high-end foundation, then this would be it, because this is good for all skin types. It gives you natural finish, so it's very nice product in the market. You should immediately grab it guys, because the Nykaa sales have offers changes very easily, so you need to keep an eye on these kind of products a lot. Next I'm going to talk about a brand which is a very good skincare brand, and it's affordable as well. This is the Juicy Chemistry Bulgarian Rose Water. Rose water is one of my patent skincare product in my skincare routine. I love to use rose water during the day or the night water, so I have been experimenting a lot of rose water products from different brands. So I love the Kama Ayurveda one. I love the Gulabari one if you want the cheapest version of that. And in midway, I love this 100% organic Bulgarian rose water. So these are not just the rose water. This actually gives little bit of instant lift to your face. I really like how the bottle comes in a dark color, because this saves the quality of the product. Also, one thing I like about the Juicy Chemistry is all their products are mostly gets expired within 6 months to 12 months, not more than that. It's a very nice regular day-to-day use, which I love to use it directly on my face or mixing it with some of my face packs, or just applying it as a toner. So I really and highly recommend this Bulgarian rose water from Juicy Chemistry, and you can try out their lot of different products. I don't have the bottles with me, so I'm not adding those products in this video, but their aloe vera water is also amazing. Their lip balms are very good, so you should definitely try this brand. So for the primer, my most favorite primer is the Smashbox ka Photo Finish primer. But yeah, I have two primers which I've emptied and I loved it so much, and those are the Too Faced Hangover and Poreless primer. This is very nice. It is a very close dupe of the Benefit Poreless primer, and this Hangover primer is very good for the dry to combination skin as well. And you can see I've emptied these primer. It gives a nice smooth base to your makeup. If you have a lot of texture on your skin, like that evens out your skin texture and makes a nice base for your foundation. So I highly recommend this primer to you guys. There are some brow products which I'm gonna share today. For the daily use, I love to use the powder brows. These are my go-to brow products. So one is this the Balm Cosmetics ka brow pow. It's really nice match for my eyebrows, and I love how it works and glides on your eyebrows. It is not at all cakey or very powdery, which splits everywhere while you apply it with your brush. So as you can see, it's totally empty. I've used the shade dark brown. I really like the packaging of it, and it comes with a mirror. That's a plus point. And I really like this brow product and this brow shade, specifically the dark brown shade. So I highly recommend this one. And now coming to my next kind of brow favorite products, those are the pencil eyebrows, not the sharpener ones, the ones which glides on rolling. So these are some of my top picks. My top two favorite are from the NYX and the Benefit GoPro pencil. These two are my top favorite, and the other ones which I really like using for the budget friendly option, I have this Nykaa ka eyebrow pencil, which is very nice. There is no complaint. I kind of recommend it for you guys if you like a budget friendly option. It comes in a lot of shades, and it has this spoolie behind, which is again a plus point for any eyebrow product. All these have spoolie behind them. So these are the Benefit GoPro, the NYX pens, and the Nykaa one. All these are amazing products. Now moving on to the eyeliners, because these are some of the products which get emptied very easily. So these are definitely gonna be on the product empties of anyone's kit. So yeah, so my top favorite eyeliner is the liquid eyeliner. For my eyelids, I love to use the liquid eyeliner. I can't do my liner properly with the sketch one or the gel liner, and the most and the top favorite of mine is this 130 rupees ka Lakme black eyeliner. As you can see, it's totally empty and dried up. I always keep a stock of this one in my vanity, and I love this. This is the easiest way to apply a liquid eyeliner for a girl like me. Like, this is my type of liner. I don't prefer or think of buying any other high-end brands, though I have few high-end brands liquid eyeliner which I love, but this is the one which is easiest for me to apply. So for the recommendation, this is always going to be in my top list of eyeliners. I also love the eye products of Maybelline New York, especially their eyeliners, kajal and mascaras. They are actually top notch, and this is actually very budget friendly brand. So one of their eyeliner which I loved using and enjoyed a lot is this Maybelline ka tattoo eyeliner. Again, the tip is very nice, very felt tip, and you can work easily on your upper eyelids or as well as on your lower underline. If you are new to applying eyeliner, then you should try this out to practice your eyeliner skills. This is very good for graphic eyeliner also. So Maybelline ka tattoo eyeliner is really nice option as well. Kajal, of course, if you are old to my channel, you must be knowing what I'm gonna tell, and that is the K-Beauty Kajal. It's totally empty, and I love this Kajal. I like the roll-on one more than the sharpener one because that is easier to use. This is a shade Spade, I guess, and this is a very nice darkest Kajal which is sponge proof also and works very well even for watery eyes. I think I've used 20 or 30 of this eye pencils till now since this Kajal has been introduced in the market. So I really like this K-Beauty ka Spade Black Kajal. Also, now if you are a fan of graphic eyeliners, or if you love to apply colorful eyeliners on your eyes, then NYX ka this Vivid Bright eyeliners are a great option in the market. Now I think they have changed the packaging, but their eyeliner products are amazing. I've tried all colors from there, as I'm not very much into colorful eyeliners, but still whenever I use them for my Goa trips or beach looks or just a holy look, I always use these only for my eyes. Easy to use tip, if you can see, and works well for your graphic liners. So they are very bright and they don't look cheap at all. These are very nice shades they have come up with, and they looks very nice and very creative if you apply them properly. Coming on to lip shades. Again, lip shades are very hard to finish off, but I'll buy a lot of minis because those are most easy to carry, most easy to use and finish up. Try new shades or buy them again. So here are some of my top shades recommendations which I've emptied and bought them again and again and always keep them in my vanity. So first are the Balm Cosmetics ka liquid lipsticks. The formula is very good, guys. This is not at all drying on your lips, and my top favorite shades from them are Dedicated, Loyal and Committed. And there's one charming shade which I have in full size. That is not an empty product, but that is a shade recommendation if you like a pink shade on your lips. So Charming, Dedicated, Loyal and Committed. These are the 4 shades from this category of the Balm Cosmetics liquid lipstick which I highly recommend you guys to try. I've emptied these out. These are all dried up. I'm gonna buy their lip set soon. The next ones which I love are the Smashbox ka liquid lipsticks. Though they are a little drying on your lips and they get dried very easily, I would highly suggest you guys to go for the mini liquid lipsticks only because their big ones get dried up very easily, so you'll not be able to finish them. But the shades I would love to suggest you guys are the Driver's Seat, which I have already finished 2 of them and one is already in my vanity. Then there is the Stepping Out, which is an amazing nude brown color, and it looks very different on every skin tone, mind you, but it is a very nice shade. It is a very unique shade which you'll not find in any other brand shades. And another one is the Gulabe, which I'm still working on, so I don't have the empty product with me, but that is again a very beautiful pink universal shade. So Driver's Seat, Stepping Out and Gulabe are 3 of my top recommendation shades from the Smashbox liquid lipsticks. Next are the Nykaa ka liquid lipsticks. These are again minis. 3 favorite shades from their category are Chai, Madras Cafe and Boho. These 3 shades are my top favorites. Chai, rust orangish brown color, and then Madras Cafe is the nude shade which is very beautiful on your skin, and the Boho is a very nice universal pink shade. These also gets dried very fast, so I think you should buy the smaller ones, the mini ones. These are my top shades recommendations from the Nykaa liquid lipsticks range. And now a high-end liquid lipstick which I have used I think 3 to 4 tubes are this Too Faced ka melted liquid lipstick in the shade Sell Out. Very different, beautiful pink nude shade. Again, like a Stepping Out shade in Smashbox. This shade is unbeatable, unmatchable. You cannot find this kind of nude in any other brand or shade range. It's again, this looks very different on every skin tone, mind you, but it will look beautiful on your skin for sure. So do give this a try. Also, this comes in small size. Get it as a free gift in your Too Faced purchase, so you can check the Nykaa offers going on this as well. Sell Out. Now mascara also, I have lot of recommendations for you guys, but as this is a product empty video, I'm gonna show you one emptied mascara which I enjoyed a lot to the core, and I still use it kind of for 5 to 6 coats to enjoy this particular finished product. And this is the Benefit ka They Are Real mascara. This is an old edition. It's been in the market for a very long time. I love how less dense the applicator is. It's very nice, especially for your lower lash line. I enjoy using this product. As I have a lot of mascaras in my collection right now, I'm not buying this again and again, and it's smudge proof also, but it can be easily taken out with your cleansing balm or makeup remover products. So this is a very nice mascara, guys. So yes guys, those were all the products or the recommendations I would suggest you guys to check out. As the Nykaa sale is live, I would suggest you guys to place your order as soon as possible. And also I post a lot of stories of my recommendations or new offers coming up on Nykaa every day. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the Instagram handle here. I'll be saving all my recommendations on the highlight section of my profile. So do check out my Instagram daily. I hope you enjoy the sale. I hope you shop, but do a mindful shopping, of course, and do share your shopping haul in the comment section below, and I would love to read your suggestions and recommendations for this haul. Happy shopping to you guys. Stay healthy, stay happy and stay safe. Bye.